Hi everyone, it's Ayush here and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share today's video which is on the topic of how you can plot your Excel worksheet data into a form of a powerful and attractive presentation. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So right now I'm having some data with me and I want to just plot up this data in the form of a visualization. So what I'm having the popularity of different programming languages from the year 2004 to the year 2023. So for just plotting up this data, what you can simply open Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you prefer. Just search for Flourish Studio and then open the first link flourish.studio. Simply click on this get started now and then click on this new visualization after you just sign up with your account. Now for visualization, you need to simply scroll down and then you will see one option bar chart race. Simply click on any of them. So I will just select the bar chart race here, and when you do so it will just give you some sample data visualization. As you can see, the visualization of the population of different countries from the year to 1960 to 2014. So to change this data into whatever you want to just represent, what you can do, simply click on this data tab, select any of the cell, control A, delete. After that, simply click on this upload data and then select whatever data you want to just plot. So right now I am having this data inside my data Excel worksheet. So I will just select, double tap. Now you can see it's saying like this data is already in use in any other program. So what I will do, I will just close it from here. I will just click on this OK button, double tap. Now you can see ready to import sheet 1 from the data.xlsx. Click on this import. It will just take some time in your case if the internet connection is slow, and then it will show you 30 rows were uploaded. Click on this continue, and now just simply click on this preview. Now you can see the visualization of your Excel worksheet data as per the time periods. The time periods are being updated at this place, and the data is being shown here as visualization. The name of the heading, the headings are being given at this place. You can see Java, PHP, C Sharp, Python, C, C++, JavaScript, Objective C. So the visualization of all these languages are being done at this place, and the time period is also updating. Now how we can make it more and more beautiful? So you need to simply go to the preview, and under the colors you need to simply select by bar, which is under the heading of color mode. So when you see color mode, you will see three options: by category, by bar, single. So you need to simply select by bar, and when you select by bar, what will happen, a random color is going to be applied on each and every bar of this visualization. And suppose if you want to change the theme of all the colors, you need to simply go to this drop down and select whatever you want. So right now I will just select this flourish pale. That's like a light color, light theme for all the colors of visualization. So you can see the light colors are being applied to all the parts. Now suppose you are making a video which is like a 1 minute longer on the topic of the popularity of different programming languages, but your visualization is going so fast that even if you are having a very big Excel sheet, it's like ending up very fastly. So to increase the timeline of the animation that you are making, for doing that you need to simply go here, and under the timeline and animation you need to simply increase the timeline duration. So suppose I'm just making one video which is 1 minute longer. I need to simply just give how many seconds are there in 1 minute. So obviously there are 60 seconds, so I will just give it 60. Now what will happen when I just play up this data, it will just take a total of 1 minute to just visualize the whole data from that year to this year. And suppose if you want to just increase it to 10 minutes, then you need to give the number of seconds in 10 minutes, that is 600. So this is the way you can just increase the timeline duration, and you can just explore the remaining options as well, which are available at this place to make your graph a more and more beautiful. Now how you can just record this data? For doing that you need to simply go to the preview, and you can see that there is one option, full preview in new window. When you go to that, it will just open your visualization in an entirely new tab. And to just maximize this tab, you need to simply press F11 in any web browser. Then you can see the data is being maximized on your screen. Now you can use any screen recorder like OBS to just record up your screen, and you can just publish that visualization on any platform like YouTube, Insta, or Facebook. So this is the way you can simply visualize your Excel worksheet data into a form of a visualization. Either it can be a horizontal or vertical bar graph, and then you can just record your visualization. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, see you.